Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be a little bit short, but I just wanted to put something up for you guys so I don't like kill my vibes, you know what I mean? If you hear stuff in the background, I have the laundry going. Yes, I have more laundry. What else is new? And Olivia's down here playing with some blocks. But today's video is going to be just us doing a gingerbread house. This is Olivia's first time doing a gingerbread house, so you're going to see how that goes. And I'm also about to cook something, and a lot of people like this recipe when I make it. So I thought I would share it with you guys. I'm just making a sauce for my chicken, a honey garlic soy sauce recipe. I usually use it on pork. We used to eat pork a lot, like chuletas in the sauce, and you basically like dip it in there for like 30 minutes and then fry them, and it's like really delicious. But we stopped eating pork, so today I'm gonna try that same recipe with chicken, and I'm yelling at the camera in case everything else is really loud, but I'm just going to show you guys what I'm doing in the kitchen, and then you'll see the clip of us doing a gingerbread house. And yeah, that's it. Alright guys, so I just washed my chicken with vinegar and salt. I know, I'm weird. I wash it with vinegar, salt, or lemon. They're all washed and in a bowl. So now I have my cutting board here, and I'm just gonna lay them all out on the cutting board. I'm not making a lot of pieces because I cook every single day, because I find that the fresher the food, the better. And this is just me and Josh eating, so. Okay, so now I'm gonna season these pieces of chicken. I'm going to use adobo, which is not the healthiest, but we need some flavor. Just gently. Then I'm going to go in with some pepper. Then I'm going to go in with some garlic powder.
Hi, Mommy.
Hey.
What's up?
Making chicken.
You making chicken?
Yeah.
For Daddy?
Yeah.
For Mommy?
Yeah.
For yeah? Mommy, for yeah?
For Olivia, yeah. I'm really sorry.
For Daddy? Mommy, for Daddy?
Yes. Oregano.
Here we go. Here we go.
Set that aside. Now in a little container, I'm going to put half a cup of soy sauce.
Oh, bye.
Salt. Pepper. Honey.
Bye.